If you want to change the interface of Mach3, or if you accidentally open the different screen set, look here, I have this one with torch option. So this screen set is for plasma. So I want it back for my CNC router, or if I have any other screen. So how can I do this? Just go to this view tab, click on load screens, go to the Mach3 folder, scroll down, you will have .set files. These are screenset files. Okay, maybe you have different names here like Mach3 mail or CNC, or you have your own names here. I have these three screensets here. Plasma is now on now. I am changing it to 1024 set. Let's see how. Okay, you see screen set is changed a little. Here tool information is given instead of the THC option. THC is for plasma, now this is for my CNC router options. If I want to use another screen set, just go view, load screens. I have this one. I think someone has made this screen set and I am using it. Select it. Okay. This is a whole new screen set. So this is how you can switch between different screen sets. Go to view. You can save this current layout for your current machine, or so next time when you open the Mach3, it will open this screen. Thank you.